You people are you single, oh?
Yeah, single.
And is ready to mingle. No, I don't think they know me. Do you know me? Ah, Mado. Hi guys.
Hi people.
Just to how does your drink taste?
It's not bad.
Hi guys, good morning. This is Sunday morning. Let me see what the time is. The time is like 7:10 and we are on our way to church, presenting to you the love of my life. We first say hi. Anyways, today's Sunday, we are going to church, so we have some sort of plans, right? So our friend Mariam, today's her birthday and we are going to go and visit her. So we decided that we're going to, because I'm a greeter in church, I'm going to serve like welcome people into church. You know those people that do welcome to church, we love you, you look amazing, all those things. Yes, that's what I do in church. So I'm going to greet for only first service, then we go to Mariam's house and then just say happy birthday to her, then we'll come back just in time for second service. So that's the plan that we have. So we're going to get Mariam's cake on the way now, and then I'll show you guys, I'll bring you guys out and I'll show you Mariam, because those are like those are like the faces you're going to be seeing on my vlogs. You see this person, then you see Mariam as well, and more characters will come into play with time. So yeah, let's go to church first. No, let's pick up the cake first. Yeah.
I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear.
So that's Mariam's cake we're picking. See Mariam's cake, guys. So lovely.
We have picked up the cake, as you can see, and we are heading to church. What's time, church? We have 5 minutes. So you guys, we are on our way to Mariam's house. We just finished the
worshiping.
I just finished service. Yeah. So we are going to Mariam's house.
We are your first this morning. In my mind, every camera was going to pop. Happy birthday, girl. Move back, let them see you.
Hi Zio, happy birthday. Mommy, come on.
Happy birthday. The girl with the flat stomach. Yeah.
Let's open it.
Alright, baby. I got cake.
I do not love it. Yes, you do.
There's only one reason why we are cake.
Oh, there.
And I'm not really like, if you want to try something for you. See, we just did for you.
Because it's you, I brought your size. And I brought you a gift as well.
I've been whining me and something. Take your gift, Joe. I've been whining
you never come to our house. Yeah, if I never, I've entered this like 1 million times. Hi guys. Miriam, the lighting in your house is so beautiful. She gets. Maybe I might say don't make my vlog long. So gather.
Did you write the note? She did.
You have get it.
She wrote me a note.
Read it now.
Mariam, thank you for being one of the most reliable and consistent friends in my life. Basically, I really don't have a choice once you got involved, and I love that one. You're super amazing, and I cannot emphasize this enough. So,
all those things are using
I see how you do for me, and I do not take them for granted. Take me for granted. I love you. I love you so much.
These are my friends.
It's a Muslim.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Like you kind of know.
I don't know what that is. I think in a cap or something. Even you don't know.
I said okay.
What's that?
Rahana Essential.
I like this thing.
You people, we came for birthday. Miriam will serve back. I had to request
You
for
start
this.
to water yourself.
I had to request for this cup of water.
After you go to our house, we say we cannot offer you.
Or she will come to our house, open kitchen.
Make Indomie like
I'm making Indomie like.
stress for you.
Oh God, I wish I recorded Miriam the day she did it. Like you guys, my kitchen is outside my room, so I don't lock it most of the time. And then Miriam was supposed to come. Miriam was supposed to come to my house to wait for me. Where are you? She now said she's busy. Only for her to send me picture of herself cooking Indomie, egg, and drinking virgin mojito in my house. See me, Belelori. I will insert the picture right now of the picture she sent you. Huh? It was from you. I'm going to send a screenshot of that day, the message she sent to me. Anyways, I don't want to church. I have next seat competition. Your own is like rabbits, my own is like human being.
My own has natural whiteness. Your own has fake whiteness.
Why is it fake?
Because it's whiter than my own. This is how human being states are supposed to be.
Wow.
This color.
Nah, Miriam, I think myself and Tosin is very close in color.
Yeah, the two of you have fake teeth color.
Oh, wow.
You see, the normal ones are not common. The normal ones are not.
No, these are everybody's. Most people sit in Nigeria.
But wait, how? But, did you wash it? No. Then how did it get wet? On a serious note.
I started brushing better.
Unlike me.
I mean, me and the first thing is not.
Is an Okola basting.
We are done in the birthday girl house. Back to church.
To go and listen to sing.
Meet my Uber driver.
Oh, wow.
Uber driver, Fife. Say hi or you collect 1 star. Uber driver, ele Porsche. He say, Ale. Hi guys, this is my friend Lighten. Hi people. Hi guys, this is Natasha. She's my children child.
Hello. You guys should subscribe to my babe's YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thank you. Tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, subscribe to Tosin's channel.
You have. These are my unit members. Please say hi to my YouTube. Hi.
Daddy.
Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi, celeb.
10 kVA generator. If you put certain things on it, it continues to run fine like there's nothing going on. But when you continue to load more and more, it gets to a point where the generator is telling you, I cannot do this anymore. That had fallen from him and struck the water and said, where is the Lord God of Elijah?
Let them see your face. Hi guys, this is my friend Aya.
Yeah,
Tell them subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, please subscribe to Tosin's channel. What's the name?
The Tosin Toge.
The Tosin Toge. Please subscribe.
Thank you, yes.
Please. You love it.
You people are single, oh.
Yeah. Single.
And he's ready to mingle.
So she's trying to fix me up with one of our church members.
Yes.
Maybe we should just, should I propose right now?
No.
What's up? If you ever see this video, I've been in your DMs. I'm trying to. I hope you.
I don't think that's true, but we'll take it. You guys, look at my favorite couple. You're going to enter my vlog. She's very shy. And this is remove your let's see.
Oh,
you guys, you know that I said he was single, I was joking. This is the love of his life.
For the love of God, please.
Till that same evening.
Hi guys, so I just left JCI meeting. That is pharmacist Lolade. That's a cute baby. Yes, now. Yes, sir. And this is the birthday girl. They came to They came to bundle me from where I was looking serious to go and party. So we are off to have like late lunch to celebrate Mori Coco. Mori Coco. Monk. I'm sticking to and say hi. Say hello. He's shy. So yeah, so we are meeting up with Fife and one of our other friends, Rabi, right? Is she still coming? Yes, so I'll show you guys wherever we end up going. See the birthday girl. What is our lunch birthday gift? Happy New Year. Fine. What's his mother's rapper? Miriam said, how come you know me? You are. You're not in the same set now.
So you mean say we cannot know each other?
I don't know about my classmates.
And you are different. That's Ghana. This is Nigeria.
Coffee me lolo
So I hope you have not lost. And there's no traffic. How far is okay?
Please, I hope our food do not take 1 million years. No. Are you sure?
We don't mind being recorded.
My consent. Do you mind? Yeah, sure. It's for my YouTube, but will you subscribe? Tosin Toge, please subscribe.
Jesus!
Everywhere, Mutin was subscribe.
Because if it's between my subscriber.
Miriam, say hi because we are now complete.
That's my worry. Did you do this?
Rabi, you are going to be in my vlog. I hope you don't mind.
I don't mind. My sisters are vloggers.
Okay. Lolade, you guys have seen Lolade earlier. And this is me, and this, you guys know Fife already. How does your drink taste, Fife?
It could be better.
Basic.
Over 10, rate it.
Boya 3.
Wow. Miriam, how does your drink taste? Over 10.
Sprite and slime.
Over 10.
2.
I don't want to put the number so I don't sound mean.
2.
Rabi, how does the drink taste?
Diluted Sprite.
Over 10.
Over 10, 1.5.
Wow, Rabi said nice. Lolade, how does it taste?
Not too bad.
Over 10.
That's a nice one. Maybe 4.
Wow.
It looks like it's chemical. It looks like you feel the chalk. It's nice. The way she's taking it is nice.
Just to how does your drink taste? It's not bad. Over 10, rate it. 8.
I know she likes it. I want to taste the 8. You love me like that.
Rate it over 10.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah. That's it. It's nice. But you say it's nice. Yeah, me let you cook my mom.
Okay. Who asked you to order next time? You can taste like there are like different flavors. You see your pictures.
Over 10 rate it.
No, but it's nicer than my own.
It's nicer
than my own. Maybe like 5. It's nicer than my own. They're like different. They are different. You can taste different flavors. This person looks like they know you. Because we are touching on June, they don't know it's wrong.
No, it's okay. Come and subscribe. Don't you subscribe? Is it me?
Go and meet them and say hello.
Hi.
Apparently, so that you get subscribed.
Do they know me?
Celeb.
No, I don't think they know me. Do you know me? Mado. Shut up, John. Please let me know them now. You know me, I like to meet people now. Please let's meet now. What? Oh, thank you so much. I'm actually vlogging. Do you want to be in my vlog?
Yeah, it's fine.
Hi guys. Thank you. Oh my god, I feel so good. She said, can I hug you? I've actually gained a lot from your YouTube channel. I actually feel good. Oh, I actually feel good.
If I didn't invite her, what so this is if we did not push it to start the YouTube channel.
I'm grateful to my friends.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
You guys, I feel so good because that person I just showed you now, I think she's a subscriber, and then she just came to meet me. I saw that she was looking at me, so I was like, do you know me? She was like, yes. And then she said, I've gained so much from my YouTube, can I hug you? And I was feeling so cool. You guys,
how do you feel?
How do I undo fame? These people here, I don't know. I got program. And if you see me anywhere, please just say hi to me. I'll really love to connect with you guys. Thank you.
Yeah, I got what it takes. They lost some mistakes, some shots, some breaks, human loss.
She's like the child. Let's take your glass now.
And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup